హైదరాబాద్ వేగన్ ఫెస్టివల్ జీవహింస లేకుండా తయారు చేసే తిండి పదార్థాలకి ఒక వేదికనిచ్చింది. అది ఐస్ క్రీమ్ కావచ్చు, కాఫీ కావచ్చు, బేకరీ ఐటెమ్‌లు కావచ్చు, మిల్లెట్‌తోటి చేసిన తిండి పదార్థాలు కావచ్చు, ఇవన్నీ కూడా అక్కడ మనకి లభ్యమయ్యాయి. అదేవిధంగా మనకి కాస్మోటిక్స్‌ని కూడా జీవహింస లేకుండా ఏ విధంగా తయారు చేయొచ్చు అన్నది ఇక్కడ తెలుసుకొని అందరూ ఆశ్చర్యపోయారు. ఇది హింస లేని ఒక అద్భుత ప్రపంచం. మానవ లోకానికి స్వాగతం. మానవలోకానికి స్వాగతం. మా లోకానికి స్వాగతం.
When it comes to baking items, the obvious choice is bakeries on the bazaar and main streets of the cities. But can the baking enterprise be at home? And can we have homemade cakes and homemade bakery items of our choice and of our desire? That's a big question. We have an answer here with Suruchi Agarwal. Hi, ma'am. How are you?
Hello, sir. I'm good, sir.
Welcome to Manav Lokam. Suruchi ma'am, can you explain about your enterprise, about your cakes, and you are particularly home baker and cake artist. So
Yes.
what does that mean? Can you explain?
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir, for giving me this opportunity. And I am Suruchi, and I am a home baker. I do home baking from my home kitchen only because I have my growing child, and there is no one to take care of them. So I quit my job and starting because baking was just my passion.
When
And
did you start this?
Sir, in 2020, I started my baking, and in veganism, I started in 2021 when clients were asking about the vegan product. Previously, I was very unknown about this vegan, and after demanding from the client, then I came to know about the veganism, and I studied and researched more about this veganism.
So your baking items, vegan baking items, they do not have milk or yet.
No,
And no
no. Any we basically we are preferring eggless baking, and because we are completely vegetarian family, and we do everything in baking also. Everything is eggless,
Okay.
either from cookies, either from cakes, either breads, and everything we do at home only.
How many types of products you have?
Sir, approximate we have about 200 types of product at home because if someone is asking every customization, sugar level is also there, sugar free is also there, depends on their customization, flour quantity. So based on their requirement, we customize everything.
So monthly, how many orders approximately you have?
Approximate 200 plus orders, or sometimes if it will be big orders, it will be average calculated.
And in terms of money, how much money you make?
It will be around 60, 70. So sometimes it will be more, or sometimes it will be just average, sir.
Okay. And you have a small team to work with you, or you do it
No,
alone?
sir. As of now, I do alone only because whenever my kids are going school, so utilize that time and 5-6 hours work, and then I do.
Okay. And what kind of equipment you have at home for baking?
Normal equipment, sir. There is basic oven, there is basic microwave, mixie grinder, and hand blender is also there. Hand mixer is there. That's it.
How do customers discover you? How do
From
they come?
Google, and there are my Instagram, Facebook, and my website is also there. So we got the orders from there, and sometimes mouth publicity is also there.
Okay. So approximately how many people come to you for baking?
Sir, most of time those are going and they are reverting us,
Okay.
and they are they are referring to us, or they are giving the recommendation, so that like a chain system or networking, we are getting the clients.
So I also find some artifacts behind this. Can
Yeah.
you also explain about that?
Yes, sir. Because previously I was doing this art and craft work only. By passion, by professional, I am a pharmacist, and I quit my job due to my children because no one, as I mentioned, no one was taking care. So at home, I was doing this art and craft related work. And slowly it due to social media, I discovered more and more
learned a lot.
I met more artists, and finally I got the platform which is recognized. And as of now, I am a fabrical artist also. So conducting means every month I am conducting the workshops in the corporate offices and in malls and schools, institute, everywhere.
So we have an interesting combination of culinary and arts together. and we have vegan baking expert with us. She is also an artist and self-taught artist on that sense, also self-taught baker. And there are so many clients regularly seek her services for vegan baking products, and she is completely doing this from her home. Thanks very much, ma'am. For
Thank you,
sharing all
sir. Thank you so much, sir.